What up, everybody? Just a quick vid. Been to the track today, but there was still a lot of snow on the track, so no chance in running anything. Yeah, the weather has been horrible here. A lot of rain, snow. At some point the track was completely flooded. Yeah, pretty terrible. Luckily no major damage, so that's good. Yeah, I did a rebuild on the Pico. Wanted to try it out today, but yeah, like I said, there was snow on the track and it was very cold. Yeah, it has been pretty cold the past weeks, so I've been doing some reorganizing here. Yeah, my engines were on here with the pipes hanging in front of the tires. Not very easy, and when you accidentally hit them, they were falling down. So I was talking with Tony about fabricating engine stands myself. So I did. Got my pipes hanging up there now. Made some extra shelves for the cars. Got my running Mac up here now. Made some extra shelves here for the GT. So very nice. And I fabricated this engine stand. It's hanging on the ceiling. It's got room for 32 engines. Made some pins in here, so I can easily take them off and put them back again, and they're not falling down. So that's very nice. I made it so it can turn around. So absolutely pleased with the result. I think it turned out really nice. Yeah, so a lot of more room on the workbench now. Got a new FX engine in, on-road engine, still sealed in the box, so that's gonna be for the next vid, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, some good reorganizing from time to time. Really happy with my engine stand. So that's very good. Yeah, I think that's it for today, guys, and I will talk to you very soon.